S550 rear brake dust boots are cracked and it's looking like there's no other option but to replace the calipers. Any suggestions on how to prevent this from happening again? Okay, I'm guessing that the dust boots are cracking from heat from the brakes. That's not necessarily uncommon. In fact, a lot of our people that run like regular high performance street brakes and on track do a lot of track days, they actually just completely burn those little rubber boots off. And you look down there, all you see these little tiny fringe of rubber that's still in the caliper. I mean, it's not a problem because race brakes don't come with boots, dust boots. For that very reason, they don't last unless you've got some special, high temperature dust boots. But otherwise, the thing to do is, I wouldn't worry about it. I would just get some brake clean and periodically just, spray them out and keep them clean. If the dust boots are cracked and not working as good, then you need to take over that role, and you can do it with some brake clean. Just, hose out the around the calipers, around the pistons and the caliper, and or you can get new brakes. But then if it's the heat that's doing it, you're going to burn up the boots again. Because I don't know that you can actually get dust boots separate from a Ford caliper. So that's like anybody. If you've got regular brakes, you burn off your front dust boots. Don't worry about it. Just use brake clean, keep them clean, because the whole idea of the dust boots is to keep dust and sand and all that stuff out. So if you keep cleaning it, then you don't have a problem.